Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to install latest version of Visual Studio Code on Windows 11 operating system. So visit the website code.visualstudio.com/download and you will find the URL to download the installer. It is available for Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. I am using Windows, so I am going to download it for Windows. I will click here and the download is started. The latest version is 1.96.4. To run, click on the exe file, accept the license agreement, click next, next and install. So it is installed. Now you can use the Visual Studio Code for your application development. And go to the plugins, extensions, and you will find the extensions here. If you are using Python, then click install. You can also install the Jupyter Notebook. Python debugger, Python indentation, and there is a live server also, which is used to run the HTML pages when you are developing a web application. So we have many plugins, many extensions with the Visual Studio Code that you can use. Java Platform extension for Visual Studio Code. So based on the requirement, you can install the different plugins. Thanks for watching the video and subscribe our channel for more tutorials and videos.